This is the point that was I've been hanging out on the Clubhouse app, which you can find me on Clubhouse if you're not on there already. But Grant Cardone chimed in on there, and he was like, he made the comment. Actually, I'm gonna preface the comment first. Wholesaling, flipping houses, working for commissions. You can make a ton of money doing that. You can become you can save $1 million and make $1 million doing that. But the problem is you have to keep doing it. You got to do it every single month. The moment you stop, either because you have to, circumstance, the economy, you get hurt, or you just get sick of it, like the money stops. But that's not true with rental properties. Not true with passive income. And that's why Aaron was talking about, like, build passive income, build passive income. So anyone can do this. You have to build passive income. And that's why I fundamentally, like, if you're going to go out there and wholesale houses and flip houses and do commissions, great. But figure out a strategy where maybe like sell 3 houses, wholesale 3, buy 1 rental. 3 houses, buy 1 rental. Till eventually where it's like, do 1 flip, now buy 1 rental. And then eventually, like, maybe you don't have to flip. Maybe you don't have to sell houses anymore if you don't want to.